I'm very excited about Phenix's 50 years in business. Sometimes you think a business that's 50 years old may be stale, maybe stagnant, but we've seen nothing but growth.
I have great pride in the team here at Phenix. We have a team that is dedicated to providing the highest level of safety equipment that can be available to firefighters today.
Phenix definitely doesn't hire just based on skill. They really do look at, the potential of the person. And when you hear equal opportunity employment, Phenix truly embodies that.
We have so many people here that give their hearts to us and really make it a joyful place to work.
To be in a completely American-made product here in California can sometimes be challenging, but it's so much easier when you know you can depend on wonderful people and incredible, beautiful customers.
My brother's actually in EMS, so knowing that I'm sending him and some of his friends, helmets, protect them, it's rewarding because you know that they're gonna be in good hands because it's coming from me and I'm making sure that it's gonna be good.
The people that we protect are heroes, and they are out there putting their lives on the line. We're here to help them make sure that they get home safely.
Everyone here is like a family to me.
People that I invited to my wedding, I invited to my baby shower, people that have dropped food off for me when I've been sick, who have bought gifts for my son, definitely people that I care about and that check in on me and that I check in on them.
Right now, we're just going to be growing left and right, and it's going to get bigger and bigger every year.
I love working at Phenix. Yeah, it's definitely very different from any job I've ever had before. At Phenix, we kind of hire the person and then train for the job.
I became a firefighter in 1957. I covered 18 southern counties, and I was a training officer for those counties for special classes. He called me and he said, I need to come down and talk to you about some things. He said, are you happy with the American fire helmet? And I said, no. As a matter of fact, I have some designs about the way I think they ought to be. So he said, so do I. So he came down to the station, and we put our plans out on the table in the library in the station. And lo and behold, we designed the same helmet. Turnout coats come and go, and the boots and pants and everything, but the one thing that's predominant in the fire service is the helmet. And usually most people, when they retire, their helmet goes with them.
The Phenix Technology story is truly a Riverside story. And as we celebrate their 50th anniversary, we look forward to their continued work to protect our brave men and women who work tirelessly to protect all of us. It's my hope that the Phenix Technology story will serve as an inspiration for other entrepreneurs to follow their passions, reach for their dreams, and never stop refining their craft.
At Phenix, we have a mantra here. It's better people, better products, better world. We came up with that because we wanted to start exactly where all of that would come into play. So if we have better people working here, which involves growing their potentials, growing their knowledge of the industry, of the product, it makes the product better because they have a personal interest in making that product better, making sure it's perfect when it goes out the door to the customer. And in doing those two things, making better people, making better products, then we can leave this world a better place. So we put that all in focus, and better people, better products, better world is something that we live by each day to grow as a company.
One of the big things that people in business often overlook is they look at focusing on process and they don't spend or make the investment in people. The reality is people are all that really matters in your business. You have to make sure that you empower them, that you trust them, and that you do everything you can to serve them and develop them to their maximum potential. By doing that, your products, all those business metrics that we look at, the products themselves, and all those key performance indicators that so many people focus on, that just naturally improves. What's more important is that we're given every opportunity we can to every person that walks through this door. And as a result of that, 50 years later, we are celebrating the most success we've ever seen.
It's exciting to be a part of an organization that is just continuously growing, continuously getting better and striving to do its best, be its best. I can only imagine how much it's going to grow in the next years, how much more of the family we're going to have in-house, more development that we'll have for each individual.
I didn't make a fire helmet to make money. I made a fire helmet to better the safety in the fire service. And that was my whole goal, and Ron's also. And we did that.